All right, I'm making this video here on tell you really simply, if you're interested in rocking the vote, how you can do it using LinkedIn, right? So number one, you have to have a LinkedIn profile with at least, you know, 500 connections. If you don't have that, then this isn't for you, okay? If you have a LinkedIn profile with 500 connections, I have 10,000 connections, then this is what you can do. All right. Now, I don't connect to business development directors or marketing guys or anything else. All of my connections are CXO founders for the most part, and people I know. Okay. If I know them, then I'll link them to them. I'm very selective on who I add to my LinkedIn, and I also am always constantly, weeding out people that I think are bots or just out there to take advantage of my network, right? So I have set up, if you add a new company to your LinkedIn profile and search for hashtag Brock the Vote, you will see a company called Brock the Vote. Now you can basically add yourself as I will, voter, um, volunteer, right? Endorse. Okay, I'm voting for Brock the Vote. I'm endorsing Brock the Vote. I'm supporting Brock the Vote, right? Now, what does that do? What that does is it sends a notification to all of your right connections. And when they send, oh, congratulations, say, hey, help Brock the Vote, add Brock the Vote to your LinkedIn profile. See, what that does is if we can get people doing this, then ultimately, if I have 10,000 and I get, out of that, let's say just 1% of that, that'd be 1,000. Let's say just a 0.01%, because a lot of people are, that's if I can get 10 people out of my network to do that. If everyone who really is a blockchainer, who cares about the value of Bitcoin, who wants to see Bitcoin go up, if we can get Brock basically a challenger to Biden to a point where Biden says to Brock, listen, how can I get you guys to, to roll your into my campaign because we see your momentum and everything else. If we can get MSNBC, if we get CNN and other folks actually talking about Brock, then the blockchain has won. Okay, Bitcoin has won, and whether you like Brock or not, he is a crypto president, right? He is going to put crypto first. So take all of your baggage with Brock because of his past, because of what he may have done with EOS or Tether, or what Tether did. I don't know if Brock did, but there's a lot. You know what I'm talking about. There's a lot of baggage out there. Fuck the baggage. All right. Let's just get a crypto guy. Will Brock win? Probably not. I'm the first one to admit it. I'm not delusional thinking Brock's going to win the president. But what we can do in the next months is actually get the idea of the blockchain and the idea of cryptos and the importance and decentralization and transparency, immutability, right? These things, immutability of history, that's what he talks about in his video. Everything in his video is about blockchain, right? So if you understand the blockchain, you listen to this video, you go, shit, Brock is talking about blockchain technologies, blockchain voting, all these different things, bringing America out of the dark age into the light age. So all you need to do is this. Number one, add Brock the Vote, right? You can list yourself. What's your role? I'm a supporter. I'm I'm voting for, right? And so on. And what this does, it sends a message out, and then when the people congratulate you, share a Brock video, share the group, right? Join the group that I've set up. I've taken my group, which had about 900 people in it, and I redid it. I deleted all the posts. I redid it. Why did it? It's optics. I don't want to create a new group for Brock with 0 people, and I'm pimping this, trying to get a few people. It's all of a sudden there's 857 people in this group. It creates the optics that Brock has this following, right? It's optics. Everything is about smoke and mirrors when it comes to elections and everything else. And I'm trying to do as much smoke and mirrors as I can to bring attention so other people start joining and we get this wave of folks joining and being part of this. a crypto president, hashtag crypto president. I created that. I'm the founder of that, crypto president, Brock Pierce. So join me in helping to Brock the vote. Undao to you and yours, from the Sadhu. Oh, and if you don't know what this is, that's Undao. That's me. That's 5,250 years old. The foundation is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to unravel. All Bitcoin is store value. That's all it is, right? And it's going to move from here to there, right? These are what's known as think of these as blockchain vault, Bitcoin vaults, right? These are basically multi-wallets run by AI that no one has control of, and the AI distribute the funds and stabilizes this. These are cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are kind of like stocks or stakes for crypto. This is our version of the stock, right? So when you think of a cryptocurrency, it really isn't a currency. It's underwriting the value of that thing, okay? And there is some pump and dump crap in there, but ultimately that's what it's referring to. So DAO. The real reason for this is DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. DAO and UNDAO stands for decentralized autonomous organizations. They're the future, right? That's what's going to unravel. We need the presidents as a DAO. We need the elections as a DAO. We need Wall Street to be converted to DAOs. That's what we're doing. And more than DAOs, DANOs, decentralized autonomous nonprofit organizations, which is my work, right? So UNDAO. I am the storyteller, the Sadhu of the blockchain, to say the do, to speak the do. The AI on top is a do. It's a distributive unconsciousness, right? Distributive unconsciousness. There is no consciousness to AI. There'll never be consciousness. All AI is doing is reading data, and it's then using algorithms to interpret that data. That's all it is. It's going to fake it. It's going to fool you, but ultimately that's all it is. So UNDAO, help me, Brock the vote. I'm the Sadhu, UNDAO.